Mr. J. Today we're talking about the Korean pension plan and changes in it. That's going to happen maybe soon. So let's see. This is our advanced video for Thursday, March the 20th, 2025, and it's definitely a D for debatable subject. Our AI pick looks, I asked them to talk about the pension and the future of old people. It looks, our AI pick is a lot of older Koreans who seem to be looking poor. They're not real people, of course, it's an AI pick, but still, wow. Okay, hopefully that's not you in the future. Let's go to our words first, okay, our words. Pension system, pension. Pension, in Korean, there's like Konglish for pension, which is sort of like a place where you can sort of camp out in that. But this is totally different, right? Political parties reform. Contribution rate. Pension credits. Now look at this. This is a long one. Focus. Nominal income replacement rate. Okay, nominal income replacement rate. Let's see, we have our pre-retirement income, funds, deficit, National Assembly overhaul. You might have noticed I now have both the simplified and the traditional Chinese characters, just so that more people can study English if they want to, okay? So hopefully that helps some of you out. All right, let's get to our summary. South Korea's pension system is in trouble, okay? And lawmakers from two major political parties are working together on a reform plan. Usually the parties sort of fight with each other, but they're trying to work together for this one. They agreed to raise the contribution rate from 9% to 13% and expand pension credits for parents with children. Now, this would be bad maybe for foreigners here, because if you're paying the pension and it's going up to 13%, you need to pay more money, right? And if you don't have kids here, you're not going to get pension credits. So, but if you're Korean and you're here and you have kids and that, and you're worried about when you're older, then it's probably good news, right? The nominal income replacement rate, which shows how much a person's pre-retirement income is covered, okay, will increase to 43%, okay? Because before you retire, you probably make more money. So it's important to know how much you'll make after you retire. The system is running out of funds and is expected to have a deficit by 2041 and be empty by 2055. So if you're young now and things don't change, you won't have any money when you're older if you don't save up. And that's dangerous, right? The National Assembly will vote on the changes, which could be the biggest overhaul in 20 years, right? If everything's changed, it will be a big change. I don't know about Japan or China or that, but I know definitely in Korea this is a big concern. I wonder about other Asian countries. I know Japan has like a problem with more older people and not enough young people paying taxes or pension contributions. So yeah, I wonder. Tell me about your country. Let's see. What is happening to South Korea's pension system? What is the new contribution rate for pensions? What does the nominal income replacement rate measure? It's a big one. What is the pension system expected? When is the pension system expected to have a deficit? And what major change is happening for parents? Sorry, you might have noticed my throat's a little, it's a little husky today. I don't know. I think my allergies are acting up because I was working in my garden and it's gotten to me. Sorry about that. All right. Time-related word of the day, present, okay? And the second one, present. You must have heard that before, right? The present is a present. The present is a present. Have you heard that before? It's a good way to think, I believe. All right. Present, the current moment or time. Now, okay? Non-time meaning, present, a gift given to someone, right? So the present is a present, right? Maybe. Okay, present. Present. There's two syllables. Let's practice the second syllable first. Zent, 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 and then Present. First syllable has the emphasis. Don't say present. It's not E, it's e. Present. Okay? And some example sentences. We should focus on the present and not worry about the past. And another non-time meaning example sentence. She gave me a beautiful present for my birthday. Present. All right, weather. For tomorrow, Friday, March the 21st, in Seoul, a high of 11, a low of 1, and it is partly cloudy. Beijing, China, high of 27, wow, a low of 14, and it is mostly sunny, breezy, and very warm. And Tokyo, Japan, high of 18, a low of 7, and it is, or it will be, pleasant with plenty of sunshine. Okay, that's it. Our interesting facts are there too. Guys, we talked about the weather and present and pension. I hope everyone is safe and secure in the future, right? And that you're not worried about when you get older and not having money, but you definitely should think about it now if you haven't. And I hope also that you have a good day, and I will see you tomorrow maybe. Tomorrow is the end of the, tomorrow. What is tomorrow? Sorry. Tomorrow is we can see here, March 21st, right? Okay, so that's all right. Tomorrow's a regular Friday. I was thinking it was the end of the month. Next week, we will have our culture class about St. Patrick's Day. But for tomorrow, it'll just be a regular news. All right, guys, have a good one. And I'll see you on Friday. Bye-bye.